If you are a man in Kenya, I want to have a conversation with you today. And this is because I would want to persuade you to consider starting an online business in Kenya. And this is an opportunity for you to actually build an income generating online business in Kenya. And this is especially true if you are broke, if you are jobless, or even if you are currently working and are not making enough money, which means you are looking for ways to supplement your income. You are looking for ways to increase the amount of money that you generate, either on a daily basis or on a monthly basis, which basically means you are looking for ways to earn extra money in Kenya each and every month. Now, an online business actually provides you with an opportunity to actually achieve those objectives. You can be able to actually increase your income. You can be able to earn extra money every month if you are looking to supplement your income. And it might actually be an opportunity for you to actually be gainfully employed, or at least to have something that you're doing, your own business, your own hustle, that will ensure that you no longer continue being broke, at least if you're able to work on it and build it to a point where it is generating you some income in Kenya. Starting an online business in Kenya as a man is not complicated, but that does not mean that it is easy. An online business is actually just like any other business. You'll need to work hard on it. You'll actually need to focus and be consistent when building that business. You'll need to actually give it time. That means being patient. You need to probably work on it for a considerable amount of time without necessarily moving away from it, without giving up, to be able to get to a level where it starts generating an income for you each and every month. And the idea here is very simple. You are going to monetize your knowledge, your skills, your expertise, the hobbies, the passions that you have, or actually monetizing your life experiences. And this is by leveraging the power of the internet to tell your story and be able to actually build an income generating asset out of that particular story. So as I have mentioned, I do not want you to imagine that building an income generating online business as a man in Kenya is easy, because it is not, and you'll actually be required to work probably even harder than you are working right now. But if you are someone who is interested in probably getting financial, location, and time freedom, then pursuing an online business model might be something that will work for you. And there are quite a number of online business ideas that you can pursue. There are quite a number of online business models or ways to make money on the internet with a business that you can be able to work on. And some of these ideas are things that you probably already are aware of. For example, you can start a blog in Kenya and build it into an income generating online business, because a blog has very many ways on how it can be able to make you money in Kenya. And it is not a very new concept. It's something that has been there. You probably already consume content from blogs, or you consume content from actually businesses that are actually run as blogs. Similarly, you can start a YouTube channel in Kenya and build it into an income generating online business. And again, this is because a YouTube channel can make money from very many ways. And I know the popular one that you might be able to know is actually probably the adverts that you see on YouTube videos. That's just one way on how you can be able to earn money from a YouTube channel. But there is a whole lot of other ways that actually can help you build a business where your YouTube channel actually becomes just like a marketing funnel, a tool for you to reach more interested customers or target market. Other ideas include, you can start a newsletter and build it into a business. You can do affiliate marketing. You can build coaching or consulting business. You can be able to create and sell your own digital products, again based on your knowledge, skills, and expertise. So there are quite a number of opportunities that you can tap into when it comes to building an income generating online business as a man in Kenya. And it is something that you want to do. That's because as a man, you actually want to get to a position where you can be able to provide not only for yourself, but also for the people you care about. If you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, if you have a family, if you have kids, whether you're living with them or not, you want to play your role as a man in their life. And that can only come if you can be able to actually provide for them, among very many other things. I'm not just saying that money is the only thing that measures you being present in someone's life. But money is a big component in making life a little bit easier and a little bit better for yourself as well as for the people you care about. And to get started, I want you to take time each and every day, maybe for the next 1 week, researching and learning how online businesses work. You want to understand how you can be able to start an online business in Kenya. You want to understand how an online business makes money. You want to understand how you can be able to target or reach your customers in terms of having an online business in Kenya and the various channels or platforms that you can use to be able to do that. And this is because while on the outside it looks easy to actually build an online business, the backend is equally as busy. You will be doing a lot of things that are probably not visible to the people or that are not visible to the naked eye. You'll actually be doing a lot of backend deals, building a business, building systems, developing tools, or actually implementing tools that you're going to be using to ensure that your business is running smoothly. You may, for example, need to actually set up your email marketing platform. Then that will require you to learn that skill of email marketing. So there are quite a number of skills, there are quite a number of tools, things that you need to understand and to put together to be able to have a successful and profitable online business in Kenya. But if you start an online business in Kenya as a man, you give yourself an opportunity to actually make money, to be able to have a life that is a little bit better in terms of getting financial, location, and time freedom, things that I'm probably sure you would actually enjoy to have in your life right now. So if you are broke as a man or if you are struggling financially as a man in Kenya, I would actually highly recommend that you consider starting an online business in Kenya. This is because it can be one of the ways on how you are going to increase your income and how you can also generate extra income every month if the money that you are making is not enough to cover all the expenses that you have. It might take a while to come together. It might take you to work a little bit harder than probably you are doing right now. But as a man, this will be worth it, because if you look back 2 or 3 years from now, you realize that you have done something that is worth it. I strongly believe that every man in Kenya should have an income generating online business or an income generating side hustle. And if you're interested to learn how you can be able to do this, watch the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video.